For $750, you can build a PC that's more powerful than a PS5. To start out the build, we'll go with a Ryzen 5 5600X and a budget B550M Phantom Gaming 4 motherboard. Since RAM is fairly cheap right now, we'll go 32 gigs of DDR4 3600 CL16 memory. And for storage, we'll go with a 1TB MP34, which is a good Gen 3 drive. We'll make sure to get a reliable budget power supply, the Corsair CX650M, but we will have to cheap out on the case. Don't worry, it still comes with 3 usable fans. And the most important part, the graphics card, we'll go with the RX 6700 XT, bringing our total to $755.